If SketchUp is giving you an error when opening a model, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few practical fixes that can help you recover the file and get back to work. This is especially useful if the model won't open, crashes on launch, or shows a file error right when you try to load it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick SketchUp fixes and workflow tips. Let's get started. First, the easiest thing to try is making a backup copy of the file. Before you do anything else, create a duplicate of your model so you always have the original as a safety copy. Then rename the file extension from .skb to .skp if you see a backup file saved by SketchUp. This can sometimes restore a working version of the model and let you open it normally. Next, try opening the file in a brand new blank SketchUp model. Start SketchUp, create a fresh empty file, then go to File and choose Import. Select the corrupted or problematic file and see if SketchUp can bring it in that way. Sometimes importing works even when double-click opening fails, especially if the file structure is damaged but still partially readable. Another important thing to check is where the file is stored. If your model is sitting inside a network folder or a cloud-synced location like Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive, move it to a local drive first, such as your desktop or Documents folder on your computer. Opening from a synced folder can cause file lock issues, interrupted reads, or synced conflicts that trigger SketchUp errors. Once the file is local, try opening it again. If that still doesn't work, check for AutoRecover or AutoSave versions. On Windows, SketchUp may save recovery files in a temp or AutoSave location, often inside App Data or the local temp folder. Search your computer for recent SketchUp AutoSave files and look for a newer version of the model you were working on. If you find one, make a copy of it and try opening that version instead. This can save a lot of work if the original file became damaged. Now, if SketchUp is crashing when you open the model, the problem may not be the file itself. It could be graphics related. In that case, update your graphics card driver on Windows. Outdated or buggy GPU drivers can cause SketchUp error opening model issues, black screens, freezes, or sudden crashes during loading. After updating the driver, restart your computer and try opening the file again to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still getting a bug splat or crash on open, there's a good chance a plugin or extension is causing the problem. To test that, temporarily disable your extensions by renaming the Plugins folder or removing recently installed add-ons. Then relaunch SketchUp and try opening the model again. If the file opens normally after disabling plugins, you've found the likely cause. From there, you can re-enable extensions one by one to identify the one that's creating the conflict. So to recap, if SketchUp won't open your model, first back up the file and try changing .skb to .skp, then import it into a new blank model, move it to a local drive, check your AutoRecover files, update your graphics driver, and test whether a plugin is causing the crash. These steps solve a lot of common SketchUp opening errors and can often save a project that seems lost. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more SketchUp troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.